Hello guys, and welcome to this course on mobile app creation with your smartphone. So for us to get started, let's get some definitions clear. What is a mobile app? A mobile app is simply a piece of software that is dedicated to solving a particular problem. So you can think of any app at all. The main purpose of that app is to solve a particular problem. For instance, take the Facebook app for instance. The reason why you have it installed on your smartphone is because you want to connect with people all around the world. You want to make new friends. Also, the music app you have installed on your device is to enable you play music files and listen to music. So that is what an application is all about. A dedicated piece of software that solves a particular problem. How are apps built? How do you create an app? We have already established the fact that an app is a piece of software, right? It is generally built based on the concept of programming. Programming is a process of telling the computer what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. It enables you to organize the processes of a computer in order to get a desired output. The standard way of building apps requires you to have a basic understanding of coding, then coding with Java, that Kotlin or XML, and it also requires you to have specific special softwares installed on your PC, which include like Android Studio, Eclipse IDE, or the Flutter framework installed on your Android Studio. This course is divided into two sections. The first section is to show you how to build apps on your smartphone without any knowledge of coding. The second part will teach you how to code apps from scratch with your smartphone. For the first section, you don't need to have any basic knowledge of coding. So you don't need to learn Java, Dart, Kotlin or XML. All you just need is just your smartphone. However, the softwares we just mentioned do not have smartphone versions of them. There are apps that enable you build other apps. And in this course, you will be given access to two most useful apps that you can use to build other apps. These two apps are premium apps, right? And although these apps have their free versions available on Play Store, those free versions are very limited and there is little you can do with them. But in the course of these videos, you will be getting the premium versions of this app all for free. If you were to pay for these apps by yourself, they will cost nothing less than a total of 15,000 naira, but you will be getting them all for free in this course. How do you build apps on your smartphone without any coding background? There are quite a number of softwares out there that promises to help you build apps on your smartphone without any coding background. Well, we'll be using one of the best for this course, and I'll be introducing you to one of the best. And this app is called Sketchware. Sketchware is one of the best softwares out there. It's a no-code app creation platform that lets you build mobile apps on your smartphone without any coding background. It has everything you need and you require to get started building apps on your smartphone. It has a drag and drop feature which has made everything easy for you. In this course, we will go through everything you need to know about Sketchware, from the basic to the advanced features of this app, and you will be able to create your own apps easily within minutes without any coding skills required from you. Just as it is possible for you to create mobile apps on your smartphone without any coding skills, you can also build apps from scratch with your coding knowledge. And if you do not have any background in coding, we will teach you the basics of Java programming in this course, and you will be able to apply those knowledge to create your first app from scratch. This section of the course is also applicable to Android Studio. So whatever you'll be learning in this part of the course is also applicable to building apps on your PC. So there is no difference in when you are building apps from scratch with your smartphone using Java programming as well as using Android Studio to build your apps. So everything you'll be learning in this section of the course will be applicable if you are using a PC to develop your app. So the software we'll be using to create apps from scratch on our smartphone is called AIDE, capital letters AIDE, which is a short acronym for Android Integrated Development Environment. It is a platform, an app actually, that enables you build app from scratch using Java programming language and XML. Java for you to design and create the logic behind the app, then XML to design the UI and the look of the app. So everything will be taught to you in this course, and is, as I said earlier, is applicable to using your PC and having Android Studio installed on it. Also note that this section of the course using AIDE to build apps from scratch also supports Gradle build, dependency declaration, and library inclusion. This means that you will be able to add other third-party library into your apps, other third-party frameworks that are not in the AIDE app or in the Android development framework into your app to make your app look more professional and more presentable. The links to download AIDE or Sketchware and other tools you'll be needing in this course will be provided after this video, so you go ahead to install them and get them set for the next segment. Ensure that you have these apps installed before you proceed to the next segment, so that you will follow through every step being taken for you to be familiarized with every section of the app. Also, do well to play around the app when you get them installed before proceeding to the next video. So see you in the next video.